Alright, it has been 3 days and this paint has finally dried. I think the highest the temperature has been outside is about 39 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and get it outside and take a look under the sunlight, even though it's overcast. See what she looks like outside. You guys will walk around. Sorry for the wind noise. This wraps up the build on the C10 pickup truck. Got her painted up, got the floors patched. Did a little bit of body work back here on the bed. Show you guys before and after again in case you guys didn't catch the intro. But yeah, so this is going back to a good friend of mine, and he's going to continue to enjoy this truck for several years. You can see that hood did turn out pretty slick. Not bad at all. So definitely looked a whole lot better than when she got here. So hopefully he'll enjoy this thing. Added the float tie there at the front, a little floating bow tie action. Just a little touch there, through wheel and block exclusive. Well, that wraps this video up, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video series helpful on this C10 pickup truck. So if you found one of these old things left and abandoned and heading to the scrapyard, you could save it too. It's not a perfect truck, it's not a show truck, but it runs, it drives, and it looks pretty good, and it'll last a long time. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.